everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1037 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to finally be trying out the Milk Makeup Kush mascara. Oh my gosh, seriously, years ago, maybe when this first came out, I heard about it, saw so many people saying how much they love it, and I've been wanting to try it ever since, and now I am finally trying it out. I love trying out new mascaras. So what I have here is a sample size. The full size version retails for $24. It's one of those clean beauty brands. So it's vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and this is a fiber mascara that says it has heart-shaped fibers, which sounds very interesting to me, but it's supposed to be super volumizing, and I love a volumizing mascara. So let's check out the wand. This looks like a type of wand that is going to be really good and that I like. So you can see the bristles are somewhat long and there's a lot of them. So I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it to one of my eyes. I like when there's lots of bristles like this because I feel like it really grabs every lash. And it really does seem to be doing a good job of that. I also am noticing right away that great full dark black color. And no clumping. The lashes are staying nice and separated. I love to layer up my mascara, so I'm going to try layering this a lot. But this first coat definitely looks really good. I can't really tell what the heart-shaped fibers look like yet. But so while I wait for that top coat to dry down a little bit, I'll try this on the lower lashes. This wand is a little big for getting my lower lashes, but it is not too bad. Can definitely work. I feel like it looks very lengthening to these lower lashes. All right, let's see if I can build up that volume like it says. Definitely buildable. And something that I really look for in a mascara is one that is not going to clump and not make the lashes stick together. I want the lashes to look really full, fanned out, individually coated, and this mascara is so good at that. I also feel like it's really easy to apply. It's not making any mess, like I'm not getting any on my eyelid. And it's so buildable without any clumping or sticking together. I'm just getting more and more excited about how my lashes are looking. This is seriously what I look for in a mascara. I know that everyone kind of has different preferences in their mascaras, but I love a super volumizing fiber mascara that is not going to clump. This seriously makes it look like I have like 10 times as many lashes as I did before. And it's not clumping at all, so I just feel like I keep going over and over and over the lashes. And then the trick that I like to do with fiber mascaras is tap the wand onto the tips of the lashes, so then you can attach the fibers onto the ends of your lashes to really lengthen. Okay, I feel like this seriously made my lashes look as good as they possibly can. Like as volumized and full and lengthened as can be. I didn't curl my lashes before this, and it does seem to have a little bit of curl, but that's the only thing I would like to have little bit more curl and lifted lashes from using a lash curler. And these lashes would be perfect. So full, so volumized. Look at the difference in my lashes. Oh, I'm very picky with mascaras. I have tried out so many mascaras, and this is seriously one of my favorites I have ever tried. I'll do a zoomed in view so that you can really see just that difference in how great these look. All right, I'll go ahead and apply it to the other eye and make sure I still love it. Yeah, it is looking so good. It's seriously so mesmerizing to me. Just layering it up and watching the lashes just grow pretty much and get so volumized. I just seriously love this. I think this is the mascara that I should always be using, that I should give to anyone that likes mascara. I should give them this because it is so good. I just can't see how someone would not love this and not love what it does to the lashes. Like, it gives the look of wearing false lashes. Like, I have so many lashes and they are so volumized right now. Wow. This is a serious wow product to me. I'm bummed that I waited so long to try it out, but now that I have, this is actually mascara that I would purchase in the full size, which, if I did not mention, the full size retails for $24. And to me, that's worth it because this is seriously like the best my lashes can look. Wow, amazing. It just looks like there's so many different layers of lashes too, just all around. So volumizing, so enhancing. I love this. So definitely let me know if you have tried this, what you think of it. And if you've tried this and you have a mascara that you think is better, you have to let me know which one that is, because now I have to try that out, because I really can't think of a mascara that looks better than this. Like, wow. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.